Hello, and welcome back to Building with Blocks. This episode is all about navigation. That said, we will take this menu that is automatically created for us. In fact, WordPress just threw all the available pages into the menu, and we are going to fix it and make it beautiful. To start, we need to go back to the editor and open navigation. This is the menu that is already created for us, and as you can see, there is a forget password. I need to be editing. Forget password. You can arrange your menu right here, and you will see that it changes in real time over there. You can also easily add submenus by simply dragging and dropping your menu items into another menu item like this. So let's move all of this to the messages. And now you see how messages got the drop down. Actually, we need to save all of this. View the site, refresh it, and you will see all of the drop downs that we just created here in the menus. However, let's say we want to edit the complete menu. We will go to these three dots in Actions and click on Edit. Now the editor will expand and allow us to edit the menu within the block editor. This will allow us to access a completely new set of features. We can still do the manual reorganizing if we want to, but we can also do a manual edit to each individual item. So let's say, for example, I don't want this menu item to be here. I can just click next to it or at the end of it and press that space and keep deleting it until I delete the entire thing. All right, so I'm going to do that for my entire menu. I'm just going to delete everything. And I'm going to leave this drop down and two more menu items that I'm going to modify right now. In fact, no, you know what? Let's delete everything. So select it, delete it, select it, delete it, and we have this one. We can delete that one as well. Okay, so now our menu is completely empty. So the very first thing I want to add to my navigation is a link to PeepSo recent activity page. Okay, let's click on plus, look for recent activity. There it is. Now in the right sidebar, I can change the title to, let's say, community. I can change the link to it, description, some other elements, and I can even choose an icon for this menu item, expand the icon settings. Let's search for home, use that icon, and save the menu. Okay, let's check our website. When we refresh it now, we have our community link with a nice little icon over there. All right, let's continue. Go back to editor, edit the menu item, and keep adding your menus. Let's say to photos. If you want an icon for photos, just search photo or maybe camera. Yeah, camera will be much nicer. Let's save it. Let's add more links. Okay. Do we want to add another link next to photos? Or maybe we want to add the link between it. let's do between, and let's say that will be members. Okay, we will also set members for the icons. Let's search for people maybe. Yeah, people is good. This one will do nicely. Save the menu. Let's take a look at the front end. And we are starting to get a really nice menu, right? Now let's add some submenus. Go back to editor, click on community, and then this icon over here that says add submenu. And we can add, let's say, submenu to messages, then another submenu to user profile, and we can of course always change the direction or change. There it is, I finally found it. So here in navigation menu, in navigation block, here under this list view, we can always change the position of the submenus, or even make a submenu of a submenu if we desire so. Let's take a quick look at how it's going to be on the front end. So if we change to the front end and refresh the page, now our community menu is going to have submenus as well. So there it is. So guys, after just 5 short episodes, you should have a strong foundation for the visual representation of your website. You should know how to handle your templates, your sidebars, your patterns, headers and footers, and how to change them, how to organize them, how to replace them. And in the next episode, we are going to give final touches to this template, like remove unwanted content, remove the title, maybe even add some more blocks, and that will be the skeleton for our website. Until next episode, I wish you all the best. See you there. Bye.